You will not believe what I have for you. So make sure you stay tuned. Alright. What are you still doing here? I said go to the intro. Dang. Welcome back to the Kenny McB channel. Hi, I'm Kenny McB from MoneyPassiveCash.com. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a platform called Builderall. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Builderall is an incredible all-in-one automate, create, and sell online platform. Hence the name Builderall. They also have a powerful email automation tool plus blog site editor. You would love to know what their main focus is really on. Their main focus is on building a better product, which I think every company should be working towards that. Then again, what's not broken, why would you try to fix it, right? Right. You let me know. Their technology software has a cutting edge advantage for your business. And just like every big digital marketing platform, they also provide amazing 24/7 customer service. One of the best services that Builderall gives its customers is a free one-on-one call and a follow-up with not Becky at the front desk or Bill the janitor, but a real true Builderall professional or specialist. You can say specialist, yeah, specialist. And their platform is really made easy, you know, for a beginner as well as a professional. Yeah, somebody that's been doing their thing for a very long time. They also have a drag and drop. Man, I wish I could drag and drop everything. Where's my dog? Can I drag and drop you? Let's just see. Can I drag and drop you, Kirby? Huh? You don't want me to do that? Okay, I won't do that. Drag and drop website builder. And guess what else they had? A 14-day trial. 14-day trial. I love 14-day trials, man. 14 days. So what that means is you have 14 days to let it amaze you. And if it doesn't, I mean, it's 14 days. That's all it is. 14 days. So just get your money back. No harm, no foul. They also offer their services at the lowest price. Well, that I've seen out there. Yeah, it is pretty low. Very affordable. Nice. So with that being said, I will leave my affiliate link down in the description box. And yes, it's no extra cost to you. If you have received value, please give me a like. And let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you will be notified on the next video. And I will see you then. And I'm out.